कैमरा है, शूट कर रहे हो?
नया है,
शूट कर रहे हो अभी?
अभी नहीं।
बंद है ना?
हाँ।
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and this vlog. My name is Cherry, and just in case you want to watch more such vlogs, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. And yeah, in today's video, nothing much. I am just being an enthu cutlet. It's 8:30 in the morning, 8:32 actually, and I have a flight at 11:30 to Goa. So I just thought of coming here and saying hi to you guys. Don't have much time because I really need to leave. Bags are definitely a little hard to maintain, especially when you are in a hurry. In any case, I am ready with just like a black camisole and like black pants because I really did not have anything else to wear in the morning, and my brain was just not working. There are days when my brain just stops working, you know, at times. I really do not want to do anything to my face because I'll be in a flight. I need that kind of hydration on my face, so I've just slapped my face with a lot of serum and a moisturizer. That's pretty much about it, and I think that's pretty much gonna be there like till I reach Goa. You know, I'm gonna wear the mask, so it really doesn't matter क्योंकि जब तुम मास्क पहन लो तो आधा चेहरा तो ढक जाएगा. And I think I've got the middle seat, so I'm gonna wear like a PPE kit, and also it really doesn't matter कि तुमने makeup क्या किया है. And honestly, I am literally the last person who thinks that makeup or outfit क्या करना है. Trust me, like just look at my outfit. It's literally black. I really don't care. Like I really don't care. So yeah, eyes are important. I do not want to apply eyeliner because I'll be sleeping most of the time. The only thing that I'm gonna apply is a mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Paris / Paradise mascara. This one is something I've spoken about before also, and I've been using it since then, literally, because of its wavy bristles. I mean, it's so dense, it's so nice. To be honest, just because of the bristles, it gives you like this lengthening effect, and it just stays like, you know, it just stays for long. I feel even if I apply this mascara in the morning, it's gonna stay throughout the day, so that's really a good part. And yeah, I've spoken a lot about this. Also, like a lot of like international makeup artists like swear by this product because, you know, because of its like hourglass brush shape, like it gives you like these thick and bold lashes, and that's what you need. Like when your eyes are just popping out and like nobody can see anything, you just need your eyes to be like pretty and focused. Really, you don't apply like eye makeup and shit. You really don't need it. Just a mascara can really solve the issue for you. And I'm gonna show you the visible freaking difference on my lashes right now. If you look into my eyes, there's such a visible difference. Like this side looks more like woken up and like more presentable, and this side is like just there. So the only reason why you get such like thick lashes with just one coat is because of its wavy fibers, and it has 200 bristles. Normal mascaras have just like 100. That's the difference you get to see for like voluminous, fluttery lashes. So I'm done with my lashes. So next is like doing your brows. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. It looks like this, such a sleek packaging. And I'm gonna reveal a secret right here that I have never got threading done. I've never ever used that thread on my eyebrows. So this is like my natural eyebrows, and the only thing that I do is to apply like a brow powder on my brows to like just define it. It has a spoolie and it has a brow powder all in one kit because when you're traveling you need something handy, and even on a daily use you really do not want to be like, where's my spoolie, where is this, where is that. So all I'm gonna do is like fill my brows. Also, if you see that the pigmentation is really good, so you know you can make like natural brows or like really bold brows depending on where you're going. Plus it's like waterproof and it lasts for up to like say 12 hours, I would say. Also, it's available on Nykaa for literally 900 rupees. Just in case you want to check it out, I'm gonna put all the details in the description box down below. So if you see, I have a little chort right in here, so I can just show you the pigmentation of this product. It's so good because ये अब छुप चुका है. And this is how the final look looks like. It's so nice, it's so natural, literally apt for my entire travel right now. So yeah, dude, my brows look so well defined. I love like the sun rays coming in, so cool. And even my eyes, I have done literally nothing, still I look presentable and to go. I love how my bangs are also like this. Anyway, so I'm getting late. It's 8:46. I literally took 10 minutes to do everything, and now I'll see you at the airport.
Insta 360. It's so weird. तुम हर vlog में मेरे साथ मार रहे हो। और मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ। है ना?
कैमरा है, शूट कर रहे हो?
नया है।
शूट कर रहे हो अभी?
अभी नहीं।
बंद है ना?
हाँ। I was just trying to mix words in order to like just say random things out here. Thank you.
Like, feels like I'm going for a karate class after wearing this.
I'll wear it, bro. I'll wear it. I'll take that risk for you. I'll sit in the middle.
I'm also in the middle.
I will take. Babe, you need to talk louder because in the last vlog also you were like just so low, like nobody could hear you. But do you feel like the experience overall was really was good?
It wasn't any different, honestly speaking.
Yeah, like I think I like the fact that we didn't have to like touch anything as in general. Like, also, do we need a COVID test? Huh?
It's too late to even see that.
Yeah, it's kind of late to even think of it.
मिसहैप्स मेरे साथ जब तुम कहीं भी जाओगे ना, कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. सो वी केम टू अ रिजॉर्ट. इट लुक्स लाइक एक कॉलोनी के अंदर है एंड इट फेल्ट लाइक अ फ्रिकिंग ओयो रूम टू मी. एंड yeah, like it really felt like a freaking oyo room, to be honest, and how people were just looking at us. So now we are shifting to a different hotel, just waiting for a cab to come because again यहाँ cabs भी नहीं मिल रहे. So हम literally in the middle of the road, we are just standing waiting for a cab. This is how being on the middle of the road feels like.